Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Apple Intelligence not working on any iPhone. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Fixing Apple Intelligence Siri on an iPhone can be straightforward. Here are some steps to help you troubleshoot. Solution number 1. Check Siri settings. Ensure Siri is enabled. Go to Setting app, scroll up, tap on Siri and search. Siri is enabled and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve the issue. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, I'm going to use the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check internet connection. Siri requires an internet connection to functions. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is disable and re-enable Siri. Go to Setting app, scroll up, tap on Siri toggle off, wait for 10 seconds and then toggle back on and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is update your iPhone. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Setting app, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset all settings. Go to Setting app. You can see, tap on General, scroll up, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset Setting, tap on Reset All Settings, enter your iPhone passcode. Reset all settings is will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on Reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact whisper.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Apple Intelligence not working on any iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.